How to appear offline on Instagram. So, in today's tutorial, I will be guiding you the easy method to activate a Snapchat dark mode on Android. So, make sure to watch the video till the end so that by the end of the video, you will know how to activate the Snapchat appearance to dark mode. Now, without any further ado, let's dive into the video. First of all, go ahead and open the Telegram. Sorry, go ahead and open Snapchat app on your Android device. Once you open it, you have to select the Bitmoji icon at the top left corner of the screen. But before that, t- make sure you have logged in on your Snapchat account. Once you select the Bitmoji icon at the top left corner of the screen, you have to select the gear icon at the top right corner to access the settings page. Now on the settings page, you will see app appearance, which is just above public profile settings option. Open it, and as you can see, we have set the app appearance to always light. So to activate Snapchat dark mode, you have to select always dark. So switching themes means we will need to restart the app. Make sure you have saved anything important. So let's select this restart now button. And when you check and select the Bitmoji again, then here we can see that it has turned to dark mode. So that is how we easily activate Snapchat dark mode on Android.